In this video, I want to make it clear to you where Thrive fits and how we can add value to your shop floor. And in previous videos, you saw the IT versus manufacturing concept and the aha to me on how just the thought process is different, but both of them really matter. And we play solely on the manufacturing side. This is where we're going to focus. It's your shop floor. It's helping your SMEs. It's helping your plant managers to do this bottom responsibility, build that work order and build it to order on time and cost effectively. So our focus is on these system needs. It's allowing you to control it. It's flexible. It allows it to be actionable. The reporting is going to fit that way. So everything we focus on and have focused on is that section, probably because that's where we come from. But these are the tools. So now let's get into the specifics. So how does that actually play out? So if we're helping build a work order, you and your company have different processes on what you might call OPEX pillars or manufacturing pillars, right? I think every company has these. If you haven't thought through these, you should. On what is it that's the key foundational pieces to making that product to order on time and cost effectively. And there's different philosophies out there. Obviously, Toyota has one. There's just different examples out there of pillars. Some people have 5, some of them have 10. I think the important thing is think through this, especially if you're a small and medium-sized manufacturer. What is it that really are your key components in your culture that you're forming within your manufacturing environment? So you're going to have pillars like cost maybe in there, or logistics, or safety, or people, or quality, or assets, or whatever those pillars of your manufacturing are. That's kind of your next step as a company, to define those if you haven't defined them. And then from there, there's actually work processes, right? So in quality, that's a nice pillar, but so how do I actually do that? What is my team doing to help assure my quality pillars being accomplished? We call these work processes, some will call them value streams or work streams. This is where we play. This is the specific area we play. So maybe it's calibration of your gauges matters to make sure. Maybe it's tooling PMs. Maybe it's work order maintenance PMs. Maybe it's rolling up asset costs. Maybe it's visibility associated with efficiently running things. Maybe it's auditing so that we have these inspections. Maybe environmental matters to you and you have specific things you need to track and capture. This is specifically where Thrive is going to play within your organization. And so within the Thrive platform, if you think of how we go to market, is we have some standard modules that are built in. They come with the platform. You get all of this. I'll make another video on scalability because it's going to matter for you and your company, whether you're small, mid-size, or you're big. How are you scaling into those pillars? What matters now will be different later. So how do you create a platform and a tool for your team that you can scale into? So in our platform, we're going to have things like maintenance, and it has different things within the maintenance, right? So you're doing inventory management or PM management or downtime tracking or whatever it is. Same thing with safety. There's a bunch of tools, safety incident management. There's audits in there. There's SDSs in there. There's a bunch of work process tools. Is Thrive going to be the work process tool for every single process you have in your shop floor? No, I doubt it. In fact, you probably have some others that you've already launched that are working well that you should keep using at this time. But if you're looking to scale into and you're looking for a tool that maybe now you need a CMMS, but I also need nonconformance tracking in my quality area, and I need leader standard work documents or tracking that I want to do, or 5S audits or whatever, those are built into the Thrive platform. They come with the Thrive platform, but you can also build onto it in the future. So if you have a custom thing for your company that's a process that's not in Thrive today, it can be built into your Thrive platform. But what that allows is all of your reporting to be consistent, your escalations to be consistent. It also allows you on your digital maturity to be able to link to other systems. So, Thrive's kind of this connected platform for your team. But you're going to want to, as time goes on, if you're not already doing this, have interconnectivity, right? Maybe there's certain things within your work processes and your shop floor that you do want to tie into your global or IT infrastructure. Maybe it's rolling up something in reporting. Maybe it's actually bringing your equipment list that's in your ERP into Thrive, so you have one spot that's your main repository. There's going to be integrations. If you're not doing it today, you will be. And Thrive platform allows for you to do that. It's mobile friendly. It comes with unlimited users for your site. So this is the area we play for your company and where we add value as you think about current processes that are helping your SMEs, that are helping you run your plant so that you can build your work order on time and to order.